You are going to love the 1992 Acura NSX. The Acura NSX is one of the best powerful and stylish sports cars of its kind. It was one of the first Japanese sports cars sold in America to truly go head-to-head with the world's greatest. With NSX, a dream becomes a sweet obsession and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, power steering, tachometer, cassette, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.